You have eaten this your entire life. You have never once thought about where it came from, how it got to you, or what happened in between.
180 billion eggs. That is how many the world produces every single year. That is 5,700 eggs every second.
China alone produces 35% of all eggs on Earth. The United States produces 8 billion dozen eggs per year.
Before anyone enters this facility, they step through a disinfectant foot bath, change into facility-specific clothing.
The biosecurity protocol at this facility was written after an avian influenza outbreak in 2003 destroyed 30 million people. This single building houses 300,000 laying hens. Every hen has a designated space. Each hen receives exactly 115 grams of feed per day. The feed formula contains 17 ingredients. Light duration controls laying frequency. 16 hours of light stimulates the hormonal cycle that triggers egg production. The collection belt runs at a speed calibrated so that no egg sits on the belt for more than 8 minutes. Every transition point in this system is engineered to never allow two eggs to contact each other directly, a crack invisible to the naked eye.
Eggs arrive at the washing station directly from the laying houses within 30 minutes of being laid. The wash water is maintained at exactly 43 degrees Celsius.
A wet eggshell is more permeable to bacteria than a dry one. Every egg must be completely surface dry before the next processing stage.
Handling is the process of shining light through an egg to inspect the interior. For 5,000 years, it was done by hand, holding each egg up to a candle flame. The AI candling system detects blood spots smaller than 1 millimeter, double yolks, cracked shells, and early-stage embryo.
No egg leaving a rejection lane is wasted. Double yolk eggs are sold as a premium product. Blood spot eggs.
Every egg is weighed individually. The load cell measures to 0.1 gram accuracy. The measurement takes 0. In the European Union, every egg sold in a shell must carry a printed code on the shell itself, not just on the box. The egg-picking arm uses a vacuum suction cup calibrated to lift an egg without cracking it. The suction pressure is precisely set.
The best before date printed on the carton is exactly 28 days from the date of laying, the legal standard in the European Union.
Once an egg enters cold storage at 4 degrees Celsius, it must remain refrigerated until it reaches the consumer. The cold chain from this facility to the supermarket distribution center must never be interrupted.
From this distribution center, individual cartons of eggs will be picked and assembled into store delivery orders within 6 hours.
The consumer picks the carton with the furthest best before date. That carton has been refrigerated continuously for 3 days since it left the farm. 28 days ago, this egg did not exist. 27 days ago, it was laid on a conveyor belt. 27 days minus 4 hours, it was washed, candled, graded, and packed. While you watch this video, the hens in this building laid approximately 12,000 eggs. The hens in the other 7 buildings on this farm laid 84,000 more. She will do this again tomorrow, and the day after, for 72 weeks. Then she will be replaced by a young. Every system you depend on to feed yourself is larger, more precise, and more invisible than you have ever imagined. The egg is just the one small enough to hold in your hand.
180 billion per year, 5,700 per second. From a hen you will never see. In a building you will never enter.
Tomorrow morning, when you crack one open, you will know exactly where it has been.